What is an aurora? An aurora, sometimes referred to as polar lights or northern lights, is a natural light displayed in the sky. Where and when can it be seen? It is mostly seen in high latitude of Arctic and Antarctic regions. Most auroras occur in a band known as auroral zone, which is typically 3 to 6 degrees wide in latitude and between 10 to 20 degrees from the geomagnetic poles at all longitudes. Geomagnetic poles represented by NMSM are different from geographical poles represented by NGSG. Geomagnetic poles arise due to Earth's magnetic influences. Aurora was hardly ever seen near the geographical pole, which is about 2,000 kilometers away from the magnetic pole. The aurora can be seen best at magnetic midnight, which is roughly an hour before the midnight. Aurora is most clearly seen at night against a dark sky. A region that displays an aurora is called the auroral oval, a band displaced towards the night side of the Earth. In northern latitudes, the effect is known as aurora borealis or the northern lights. The southern counterpart, the aurora australis or the southern lights, has features that are almost identical to the aurora borealis and changes simultaneously with changes in the northern auroral zone. The aurora australis is visible from high southern latitudes in Antarctica, Chile, Argentina, New Zealand, and Australia. Auroras are occasionally seen in latitudes below the auroral zone when a geomagnetic storm temporarily enlarges the auroral oval. Large geomagnetic storms are most common during the peak of the 11-year sunspot cycle or during the 3 years after the peak. Auroras frequently appear either as a diffuse glow or as curtains that extend approximately in the east-west direction. At some times, they form quiet arcs, at others they evolve and change constantly. These are called active auroras. Each curtain consists of many parallel rays, each lined up with the local direction of the magnetic field. At highest latitude with less oxygen, the auroras display red color. Green color is displayed at lower latitudes and blue color is displayed at much lower latitudes. How are auroras produced? A full understanding of the physical processes which lead to different types of auroras is still incomplete, but the basic cause involves the interaction of solar wind with the Earth's magnetosphere. Auroras are produced when the magnetosphere is sufficiently disturbed by the solar wind that the trajectories of charged particles in both solar wind and magnetospheric plasma, mainly in the form of electrons and protons, precipitate them into the upper atmosphere, where their energy is lost. The resulting ionization and excitation of atmospheric constituents emits light of varying color and complexity. Please subscribe to watch more interesting videos. Thank you for watching Scholar's Key.